It's here, guys. My fucking welder. I'm so fucking excited to open this. I was pretty excited to get the vacuum cleaner. I'm so much more excited to get this. This right here, if you follow the channel, this is what I need to build the Iron Man suit. I am so excited to unbox this thing and show you guys what's inside. I've heard really good things about it. I heard it's a great product, and let's open this bitch up, shall we? Yes. I just love opening packages. It's so much fun. If y'all follow Adam Savage, I get like him sometimes. Like, he just loves opening packages, and so do I. I think that's a very human thing. We like shit as humans. Owner's manual. That will go with my owner's manuals. Oh. There's the foam right there that I went inside of. Let's look at the product. There's the main part right there. Oh. Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's it right there. Oh, this is so fucking sick. Look at that. That's a giant goddamn welder. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe I own this thing. Let me show you my old welder, just so you know, by the way. This right here was the first Amazon welder I bought. It's a little stick welder. It works really well. I use it to build a lot of shit in this garage. This is absolutely a step up. Oh my god, I love it. TIG, I don't know what MMA is. TIG, MMA, DC and AC frequency, AC balance, start current, upslope, welding current, downslope, in current. Jesus, I don't really know what all that means or how to use it. Alright, let's check out what's in this box. Oh, hell yeah. Here's extra TIG torches. There's a piece of tungsten in there, so it comes with tungsten, which is great. These are, these cups are kind of like consumables, I think, and so is the brass end on this, so this is kind of like consumables, I think. I don't really know how to TIG, by the way, if that's not apparent, so this today is just an unboxing. I'm going to do a full review on this, but I'm going to use it for a while, and then I'm going to do a review on it. This right here is apparently part of the reason people buy this shit, is because this torch right here is like the best TIG torch you can buy. And it's flexible. One of my buddies has it. It's like a standard among TIG welders because they really like this welder. This one, and apparently it has something to do with the fact that it's flexible. Look at that. It also, like, in most, like, if you look at other reviews of this online, like, people are like surprised it's a cheap welder comes with such a good torch. And this is like, you can tell this braiding on here is really nice. You can tell this, I can already tell. I know, I built shit, so I know what like well-made shit looks like. I can already tell this is well-made. And then it's flexible. See, that's why people really like it. So you can change the angle on how you have it in there, and as you're welding, you can change that and have the angle how you prefer it. So people really just like this torch, and this is a really good torch. So, God, that's awesome. This comes with like a cheap ass hood, but I'm not gonna use that. So. Alright, and this is the ground clamp. This is a really high quality ground clamp. You can tell by the metal braiding in there, and it's just supposed to be good. All the reviews on it I said is pretty good. Apparently this is one that like a lot of people actually use, like professional welders use. So that's really good. There also comes with a stick, so you can hold sticks and use this thing as a stick welder too, which is what that little small one was, but this is obviously a lot more powerful. So you can use it as a little stick welder too if I want to use it as that. I'm probably not going to be doing a whole lot of that, but and then this is a tube for gas. And then there's this other box over here. This is a regulator. So this regulator right here regulates the gas, and there's that. So this is supposed to be a pretty like industry standard one. Apparently a lot of welders actually use this one too. It's not supposed to be a super fancy one or anything like that, but it is supposed to be good quality pressure regulator for your argon or helium or whatever you're using to weld with. And then lastly is the pedal. Apparently this is not that great. Apparently a lot of people don't like this pedal, and it's like needs to be replaced. But for now, I'm gonna use it to start with because I'm also broke as fuck, so I can't afford a new one, and I don't really have a baseline. So I'm gonna start practicing and working with this. Maybe I'll try to get one before I build the suit, a new one, but we'll see. This is at least pretty fucking good start. So this is like the only thing that apparently is not that good about this welder. This is really fucking cool. I'm super excited to have this. I bought this thing. My channel is all about me trying to become Iron Man. I'm building an Iron Man suit. I'm gonna have it water jet cut out of aluminum, and then I'm gonna weld it together with this. And when I say Iron Man suit, there's gonna be metal joints touching metal joints touching metal joints all over my body. It's gonna literally, I'm gonna bolt into the thing. It's gonna take almost 200 bolts to get me in and out of it. Eventually I'm gonna put actuators in it, and it's gonna be powered. This thing's gonna be crazy. I got this thing just to do that. So if you like my channel, hit subscribe. That's what I'm doing, that's what I'm working. I do some reviews on stuff, but I really only do reviews on shit that I actually fucking use and want and need, and this is one of those things. I've always wanted a welder like this. I really want to get into TIG welding. I think I'm gonna be good at it. I'm really excited to be trying it. And yeah, man, I'm really excited to have this. Like I said, I'm gonna do a proper review on it. Today was just an unboxing. I'm gonna use it for a while, and then I'm gonna do a review on it. I think I'm gonna like it. I've heard good things about this welder. I'm very excited to use it. So yeah, guys, show me a little love. Come be a part of my community. Hit that bell, and this channel's gonna be fucking awesome. So get in at the ground level, man. To all my subscribers out there, I love you guys. If you want my love, which is conditional, you have to subscribe. It's just how it is. I love you guys. You guys have a great one.